Hey there, welcome. If you're watching this, you're probably looking for someone who can help you build AI that actually works in the real world, not just in a notebook. I'm Vidura Wijekoon, a senior AI/ML engineer and technical consultant based in Sri Lanka with over 7+ year hands-on experience in artificial intelligence and machine learning. I had privilege of working 51 plus diverse AI projects, led, contributed, and collaborated from enterprise track systems and LLM fine-tuning to defect detection, conscious in robotics, and rack system, LLM fine tuning, and so and more. But my work doesn't stop at engineering. I delivered 60 plus technical workshops and mentored nearly 450 students, professionals, and startup founders across more than 30 countries. Because I genuinely believe AI should be accessible to everyone, not just those inside big tech companies. So there are three professional passions: teaching, consulting, and building. I love breaking down complex AI concepts into practical, actionable knowledge. I love helping organizations navigate the real challenges of deploying AI responsibly. And I love getting my hands dirty building systems that scale. Right now, I'm focused on four key areas that I believe define the next era of enterprise AI and research AI. The first one is transitioning organization from traditional AI/ML to professional AI security, where privacy, adversarial robustness, and zero data leakage are first-class citizens. The second one is AI governance and ethics frameworks, so building governance as code into real architecture, not just policy document on a shelf. Third one is enterprise architecture design, so cloud native production grade systems on cloud environment and beyond that are built to last. Fourth one is generative AI application developed to traditional AI/ML application. So not only the rack pipelines, offline quantized model and agentic system, but we need traditional model that we have get used to do before the generative AI era. So with these different companies I have employed, I led teams as a senior software engineer, lead software engineer to define solution architects for complex ML and Gen AI application while also managing delivery and growth talent. And former chapter lead of Omdena Sri Lankan chapter and also of currently founding chapter lead of AISG chapter. I'm actively driving regional knowledge sharing and building the next generation of AI practitioner in South Asia. So my philosophy has always been simple: AI for all, not AI for revenue solely, not AI for hype, but AI creates a high quality, impactful, sustainable value that people can benefit and business can benefit. So I'm now expanding my availability to take on select global clients on a part-time consulting basis. So if you are building something meaningful AI space, I want to hear about it. You can browse my portfolio, find me on Upwork, find me on LinkedIn, or simply book a call. Let's talk about what you're trying to build. I don't just deliver solution, I deliver clarity, confidence, and code that holds up under pressure. Let's build something that matters. Thank you.